generation that is the future decision maker, the 25 to 30-year-old that is now in the hot seat of making key decisions around routing and telematics and safety and risk. That's who we need to reach. I'm Colin Sutherland. I'm CEO of Bobit Business Media. Bobit Business Media is the leading publication, whether it's digital, e-newsletters, print magazines, and many of the events that the fleet industry enjoys. So the media industry has always been, and Bobit is no exception, very dependent on written on-page content. And even then, when you had a magazine, you might execute that in a PDF format. And of course, the way that we all consume content today is so different than my generation as I was consuming and advertising in content in Bobit. The generation that has been disconnected really from the traditional way of joining associations, reading magazines, networking and coming out to industry events. We very much need to make sure that we're engaging the younger audiences as well as their older traditional media audiences. B2X News is the channel that we chose to execute our media in a mobile platform, digital video platform ways. B2X meaning not B2B, not B2C, it's B to Generation X. So that's what we're hoping to achieve. We changed our execution to be digital, meaning that our content now is published in a way that is searchable by not only Google, but also by AI. We launched B2X News Channel, which is exciting for us to be able to go and reach generation that is the future decision maker. I think the idea of not going to, all due respect to Google for search, or even ChatGPT, if you're using that search engine, for a topic you might be searching for, you're going to be broadcasting your search query across the entire world of the internet. In the fleet world, we do produce great content that's written specifically for fleet. So our new execution called thefleetsource.com takes all of the content from our multiple publication titles in Fleet. We put it in a single place with a great search agent. We call her BB, Ask BB. You can ask BB anything you want, and it will query Fleet-specific content. So you're not distracted by all the hallucinations that some of the AI agents or even Google is serving up, which are those empty clicks, those empty links. We really think that's the right way for us to deliver Fleet content specific to the audience that we want to serve. It's almost like a lost art form to read a 1,000-word article, which is rich with content. We want you to read it. There's a lot of nuance in there. There's a lot of learning in there. AI isn't going to be the thing that's educating you. You've got to own your education. And we need to encourage people then to read and research. And that's what we're all about. That's what the Fleet Source will deliver. Our editors write. We employ 12 different writing staffs across all of our fleet books. They're phenomenal individuals. They deeply immerse in these topics. The ask I have is, please read their work. We're sharing knowledge truly from people that care deeply about a segment, want the segment to succeed, and for that we're highly supportive of all of that.